And here's our backyard permaculture garden, food forest, tiny little 2-in-1 in Redondo Beach. Got the veggie garden here. It actually recycles water. There's a water catchment system here. This is a pollinator fountain, one for the birds, one for the pollinators, hummingbirds and so on. And it's also just beautiful to look at. And to our right, we have the pineapple guava. It's like Calliandra californica right here. Passion fruit along this whole entire wall. Apple trees. Whoa, check out that Anna apple, ginormous. And we go over here, another apple. Here's there's a couple espaliered apple trees here. The espalier meaning they grow flat, like against a wall. Here's a regular Anna apple, and then massive passion fruit. There's a tree that died there, or hedges that are dying. So we're just using them to hold up the passion fruit. Avocado tree, and we have a rain garden here, where it takes the rainwater from the roof, pushes it down, and it goes into this little dry creek bed, which we call a rain garden. So really cool stuff, all irrigated with Rainbird copper shield drip irrigation. The veggie garden, it actually pulls water out of the fountain area every day and pushes it into the plants, and then it captures it and reuses it the next day. Good things come in small packages. This food forest, Redondo Beach, is one of those. It's just another way you can beautify a small, tiny backyard. Mike with Envirorscape LA. Thanks for joining us. Take care.